Hey, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Thanks for taking a look. This is the 2015, the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7370. Let's give you a virtual video walk around of this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior driver's side condition. There's no dings, no dents, no scratches. Absolutely flawless. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed on it for peace of mind driving. Does come equipped with four-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth capable, and of course has a clean Carfax history report. This is the FX4 Off-Road Edition package. I'm going to take you and show you the interior here. Ample legroom for your friends, family, and guests. Rear power slider in the back. Allow that wind to blow. Nice and roomy, I must say. And we're going to take you and put you up front here and show you the front cab. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length. Look at that, absolutely spotless. Low miles on this pickup, just over 50,000 miles. For more information on warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, and information on this truck, give us a call, email us, text us. We look forward to answering any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. This is Scott. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.